Hi guys, Gaming Fusion 100 here. Today we're doing a toy review on the Doctor Who Sonic Screwdriver. Now, those of you who watch Doctor Who, this Sonic Screwdriver was used by David Tennant, Christopher Eccleston, and briefly used in one episode called The 11th Hour, was used by Matt Smith, just briefly. And today I'm going to do a review on it. Yeah, so let's get started. Now, those of you who really want to buy one, I suggest you should watch the reviews first, because some people, like myself, I didn't even watch the reviews. I just bought one of these and it turned out not to work. The circuit was broken. So then I returned it, got a new one, and I didn't get my money back. So this is what it's for. Now, you can see two buttons, one there and one there. Now, if you push that top one as hard as you want, you can push it all day long, but it won't tell you anything. Because when it's in the down position, when this is in the down position, the top button doesn't work. When it's in the top position, the down button doesn't work. Now, as you can see, you can move it up. See, you can move it up and down, up and down. And there's also a whirring chopping noise. There's also a chopping noise, just like for Christopher Eccleston. I actually can't remember the episode it was called, but it was in World War II with Captain Jack Harkness, Rose Tyler and Christopher Eccleston. The Doctor went like this, Christopher Eccleston went like this, and this chopping noise was heard. That's only when you hold it towards an object. That's when that happened. And there's also another noise. As you can see, here's a screwdriver. Okay. Now, if I just hold this exactly there, if I am to just push the bottom button, see, it's an ultraviolet pen. And if I was to push it in the top place, it doesn't work. Push the top button, see, there's a chopping noise. That's a chopping noise. Now, push that one, doesn't work either. Now also, what they also give you, where you also get with this one screwdriver, is two of these. One's an ink nib, a UV ink nib, and one's a normal pen, a normal writing pen. Now, as you can see, this one is the UV ink nib, so that if you were to write something, it wouldn't show until you use this. And go like that. This other one, sorry, my hands are a little bit oily because I've just done my food. Well, it's not oily, it's just wet. As you can see, no standard pen, a normal pen. That's all that is, a normal pen. Now, you also know that at the start of season 3, in the episode, I actually can't remember the episode now. It was actually a good episode though. It was in the Jadoon, and Martha was there. Martha's first day. So the Doctor wouldn't ask this. The doctor always went like this. Okay, but after that, in series 4 and series, actually yeah, in series 4, the doctor went like this when he was doing something, and this would indicate, and he would usually go like this to switch it on. But obviously that doesn't work, because as you can see, pushing it doesn't work. It's just this. It's just a nickname. Okay, so that's enough of it now. So if you want to just get one from eBay or Amazon, because you can't get from Toys R Us anymore, or Argos, or any other store, unless you go to a special Doctor Who store, or if you get it from Doctor Who Experience. Either way you can get one, and you can get one from eBay and Amazon. eBay and or Amazon. Doesn't matter where you get it from. Thank you. Bye. Subscribe please. Please subscribe. Bye.